और इसके साथ में मैं डॉक्टर नेत्रा नीलम को स्वागत उनका करना चाहूँगी, जो कि हमारे साथ हैं। हम करियर गाइडेंस के फील्ड में मैम का बहुत पुराना संबंध रहा है, लेकिन अब वो नर्चरिंग फैसेट्स के नाम से अपनी जर्नी को शुरू करी हैं। तो बहुत बहुत बधाई हो आपको, पहली बात तो उसकी। और हम चाहेंगे कि ये आगे बहुत बढ़े। जिस तरह से सिम्बायोसिस में डॉक्टर नेत्रा नीलम एक अपने आप में नाम और शख्सियत थी, उसी तरह से नर्चरिंग फैसेट्स भी अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा नाम बन के हम सब तक पहुँचे। ऑलरेडी हमारे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी उपलब्धि है कि आप हमारे साथ हैं। स्वागत है आपका।
Thank you so much, Shivani. Of course, I know Shivani since a very long time, and I may not be able to talk well in Hindi.
No problem, you can talk in English. We can understand both.
Yeah. So, of course, my journey with students, it was a very conscious decision to get into education, and especially higher education. And there is where I started, this entire journey of career counseling, guidance, and something that I wish to always get into now is full-time talk about how people can make meaningful choices in their career. This begins right from 10th standard to mid-career, because जब हम career की बात करते हैं तो जो मुझे इंटरेस्ट है, जिस चीज़ में मुझे इंटरेस्ट है, ऑटोमेटिकली अगर वो इंटरेस्ट मेरा करियर बन जाए, then no day seems to be a working day.
Absolutely.
So every time you are like doing what you are passionate about, and if I am interested in something, फिर वो इंटरेस्ट के लिए मुझे कुछ competencies अगर गेन करनी है तो समय की कोई पाबंदी नहीं होती है. It becomes very easy for me to work whole day, whole night, because I'm passionate about what I'm doing. So this is something that I currently do. I also do a lot of training programs with faculty. I also do a lot of training programs with industry. And nowadays I'm also guiding, B schools in their journey towards quality education. So very consciously, after having spent 21 years with Symbiosis International University in various capacities, I moved out from my role as a director at one of the best institutions in Pune, which is SCMHRD. And before that, I was working for 2 years in a state college. So after having done a contribution towards, one educational institution for so long, I somehow felt now my journey over there was kind of quite fulfilling, and I was able to put in my best to be able to bring the institute to a particular level. But somewhere I felt, quality education should not be restricted to any one institution. We need quality education not only, in one institute, but in various institutions within India and even abroad. So I have been associated with a lot of institutions now, and I help them in their journey towards quality education. So like you would have seen, today government talks about education, but very consciously government also started to talk about quality education. And what is the meaning of quality is something that I try to discuss with the management, with the senior faculty, with the students, and then try to bring about some meaningful changes in the day-to-day working of the institutions to be able to give them what is required. And career counseling and guidance, as I told you, it's really something that I'm very passionate about. And meaningful decisions in life have to come from authentic sources. So instead of just discussing what we wish to do with people who probably are not in a position to give you the right amount of insight, it is always better that you take scientific decisions in life, especially when educated people like you and me, informed parents who are all on the call, are able to take that particular decision. So I have seen through my experience that we spend lakhs and lakhs of rupees enrolling our children in a program, and later on, after 1 year, maybe 6 months, 7 months, we come to know that the child is not really interested in what we've enrolled the child for.
True.
So somewhere I always have this in my mind, diagnosis is always preferred before you go in for a treatment.
True.
And all these career testings that are done, all this counseling that is done, helps you reduce that anxiety, because one wrong decision and one wrong turn in life, you've lost your financial resources, you've lost time, and very, very important is you've lost confidence of the child. because the child has to come back and then move himself, to the previous cohort, and then the rebuild of confidence takes a lot of time, even psychologically. So it's always better that we take informed decisions through scientific testing that is available. And as I mentioned, Shivani, yesterday, that today we are not talking about a career which will restrict me only to my local vicinity.
True.
Today I want to be a global citizen. And so when I take certain decisions, it's important that my competency gets nurtured and developed through my interest in line with global interest. So always take informed decisions. It is what I urge the parents to do. And I think it is with this that I also coined the name Nurturing Facets. What is the meaning of facets? Yeah, correct. Facets, the moment we talk about facets, it's like diamonds, the cuts in the diamond. And we should be aware that every personality has different cuts. So I don't have to reduce the cuts. In fact, I have to nurture those cuts to be able to do better in life. And so the tagline also, if you see, is all about discover your potential, develop your potential, and thrive towards success. That's a little bit about Nurturing Facets. So thank you, Shivani, for making this platform available.
I'm sure more and more